This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kim Evans. This is the one. Make yourself at home in this spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath 2-story with balcony and porch. First floor open floor plan. You become the designer. Make and change rooms to be whatever you want: dining room, great room, pool table room, sun room. Custom window treatments. Kitchen adorns 42 cabinets to include glass front door for display. Electric fireplace and a cork board wall. Large primary ensuite with balcony. Detached 2-car garage/man cave/she shed has electricity. Near to stores/restaurants and I-264. Ready and waiting for you. For more information, review the details.